Hi, everybody. So I want to explain the concept of the exclusionary rule to you. It's sometimes a little bit challenging from your readings and from the lectures. So I just want to give you an example that I think will clear things up. Imagine that you are sitting on a house and watching it because you want to obtain a search warrant. And you think that they are, let's say, stealing TVs, big flat screen TVs, and then selling them. And obviously that's illegal, right? So you finally get your search warrant, and in your search warrant, you see that the TVs are all huge. They're over 75 inches. I don't even know how many TVs are over 75 inches, but we'll go with that for the purposes of this. So you're going to put in your search warrant that you're looking for 75-inch and above flat screen TVs. But you also are pretty confident that they are also dealing drugs at this house, right? Well, drugs typically aren't in packages that are over 75 inches. So you got to think about what could you put in your search warrant that would allow you to look in small places where drugs might be located. Because if you go in there with a search warrant looking for a 75-inch TV and that is all that is in the scope of your search warrant, then you can't open a medicine cabinet. You can't open a kitchen drawer. You can't look in anything where a 75-inch TV couldn't be located. So what you would want to do is think about maybe HDMI cables, remote controls. Anywhere you could fit a remote control, you could absolutely stash drugs, right? So if you think about it that way, you want to just put everything in your search warrant. So the exclusionary rule would be if you only had in your search warrant the 75-inch screen TVs. So you can't look in the drawers. And let's say you go in, look into a drawer, and you find, 2 pounds of cocaine. Well, you can't, that's not going to be in the scope of your initial search warrant, right? So if you just took that, ran with it, that's going to fall under the exclusionary rule because it's evidence that was illegally obtained. So that should clear things up for you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to shoot me an email and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Good luck with the rest of the lesson. See ya.